Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that latest reports coming that and Tigray Defense Force also claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers has significant victory in heavy fighting going on in South Gondar and Waghemra in Amhara region. And Tigray Defense Force sources claimed that the Amhara regional forces had attacked the areas under the control of Tigray Defense Force in Amhara region like around Lalibela and Sikyota. Tigray Defense Force claimed to repel the Amhara regional special forces attacked near Lalibela, and heavy fighting is still going on from South Gondar to Waghemra. Heavy weapons being used from both sides, and both sides claim victory. On the other hand, the Amhara regional administration has not yet commented about the Tigray Defense Force victory claim. Viewers, according to reports, heavy fighting is going on around Debre Birhan between Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies and Tigray Defense Force and its allies. According to a report received from the Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army soldiers are currently on the sidelines of strategic place Debre Birhan on A2 highway in Amhara region, and heavy fighting continues. On the other hand, hundreds of Tigray Defense Force soldiers have also been deployed around Debre Birhan, and a video has also been shared by the Tigray Defense Force in which hundreds of Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen advancing towards Debre Birhan city. I will share this video with you at the end. Whereas on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force sources claim that Tigray Defense Force captured more hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers on A2 highway in the ongoing fighting, and Tigray Defense Force have captured numerous Ethiopian soldiers and ragtag Amhara Fano militias, and claimed that Tigray Defense Force pushed Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies from Shiva Robert and have now reached the strategic town of Debre Sina, located 190 km from Addis Ababa. And about it, a video is also shared by Tigray Defense Force in which captured Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers can be seen. First we watch the video, then we talk further.
شرمم قرمم سبعصو عدجو عصب تمسس هدت كل جابي لقرز شما شما يلحنا قرز بلو قرز بلو عزابي حبلو سيراوي تقري لحيل مسمر مات لتسلقي خات وتستقفلو قرز بلو عزابي حبلو سيراوي تقري لحيل مسمر مات لتسلقي خات وتستقفلو ساينس عجبو ما خلوم عتيو دقلق رأس مرحكم شفلقلق سراوي تقراي مستنكر عود نبيقو مدرسة معاي يبدأ نقلق
Viewers, on the other hand, according to the latest reports, satellite imagery obtained by Al Jazeera has revealed that the United Arab Emirates has opened an air bridge to provide extensive military support to the Ethiopian government in its fighting against forces from the northern Tigray region. And the investigation found that between September and November, there were more than 90 flights between the UAE and Ethiopia, with many initially cancelling from where they took off and where they landed. And the UAE has carried out the extensive operation with the support of two private shipping companies, a Spanish firm which organized 54 military support flights between the UAE and Ethiopia in less than a month, and a Ukrainian one which organized 39 military cargo flights in 2 months. With flight charts and satellite images show aircraft recently arriving from Abu Dhabi base, UAE to Harar Meda base, just south of Ethiopia's capital Addis Ababa. The images show a Chinese made wing long drone. Viewers, much of northern Ethiopia is under a communications blackout, and access for journalists is severely restricted, making battlefield claims difficult to verify. In recent weeks, the Ethiopian government has intensified a mass army requirement drive aimed hopes that a reported shopping spree, acquisition of an arsenal of drones and other weapons would give it an edge. Ethiopia's government signed a military cooperation agreement with Turkey in August, aimed reports it wanted to deploy drones in the war. There have already been a number of claims of the Chinese arming the Ethiopians with wing long drones, and the Turks have also been providing drones for the Ethiopians, said by Martin Plaut, senior research fellow at the Institute of Commonwealth Studies at the University of London. I think they are, in a sense, a staging post for these weapon supplies. Some of them come directly, some of them go through the UAE, but the UAE is clearly underwriting what is happening. So viewers, let's watch the video of Tigray Defense Force soldiers advancing towards Debre Birhan. Thanks for watching.